How to fix Facebook profile picture not showing problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Then just go to the Play Store application and tap on the Facebook application so that you can check if we have an updated version of the application or not. So as you can see, I have an updated version of the application on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on the application, then tap on app info. Now it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, then clear cache, tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for this. Now just go back and try to open up the Facebook application and see your profile picture, and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.